Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to get the crying filter on the TikTok. So if you want to get the crying filter on the TikTok, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, this filter or the effect is not by the TikTok. To do this, first of all you have to open your Snapchat and click on the emoji button. Once you will do it, you will see an effect on the first one. This is basically a crying effect, but if you won't find it right here, simply you have to click on the explore and go to the search bar. Once you will do it right here, you have to search for the crying. Once you will do it, a filter will be appear on the first one. You have to select that filter, and once you will select that filter, record a video and you can easily upload it on the TikTok after doing some editing on that. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.